Presenting the 2018 Kia Sportage. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 240 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock, and dash and compressor, intercooled turbo. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.